Thank you, Centum Foundation, for their exemplary work towards this mobilization process and the training delivery till the placement activities as well, and to make our job much easier and smoother. So this is my second year doing the CSR project with Centum Foundation, and it's been a wonderful experience for them because they are helping us from start to end of the project from last 2 years. Last year we had some exemplary, outcome for that. This year also we choose in Centum Foundation, and this year, to be not surprised, we were targeting for 260 candidates to be trained for the skill development training program in the automotive sector, specifically with the diesel Genset Allied Machinery engines. And we did a brilliant job. Out of 260, 185 candidates have already been placed, and it's almost beyond our target.